Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet. Today is day 22. Well, I'm really filming this late at night on 21, but I have a really busy day tomorrow, and I was afraid I would run out of time. So I'm going to jump this video in really quick, and it won't upload till tomorrow, but I just have a really busy day. I'm hoping that I can find time to get my hair cut tomorrow, so cross your fingers for me for that. But I did want to get my Advent day in for day 22. It's my husband's birthday. It's got a lot of stuff going on. So happy birthday to my honey. And I'm doing a 25 Days of Christmas with my good friend Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too. And we are also doing the hashtag Scraps of Love, making a scrap blanket with scraps that we swapped back and forth. So it's one granny square a day. Pardon me, it's late. So that's what we're doing. And I did get a couple of granny squares in today, but I did not get them attached to the blanket yet. I worked on getting ready for Christmas and a poncho for my daughter. She's got to see it before I continue, but I'll be seeing her tomorrow as well. So let's see what the scrap is today. It's been so fun doing this because you don't know what you're going to get any day, and I'm not, I'm joining as I go. So I have 4 or 5 scraps to put in, but like I'm not color controlling at all. So it's yarn that I don't know what it is. It's in order that you don't know what's coming up. So it's really scrappy. It's really been kind of fun to do, I think. I like seeing, oh, this is a new color. It's like an oatmeal, off-white. Haven't had one of those yet. So that's awesome. I'm joining the one blanket with a gray, and I'm joining, because I'm making 2. Scrap ball, and any leftovers are going into the second blanket for a really scrappy scrap. So the first blanket, all the squares are one solid color. The second blanket, they could have 3 colors in one square. Some of them do. There are a couple of actual solid squares in that blanket as well. But the one is being joined with a gray yarn, and the other is being joined with a cream color yarn, but it is not the same cream color. So that's going to be really interesting to put those 2 together. So I will maybe get done with that tomorrow, but we'll see. And then we have a gift today. We do a gift every day. It's kind of fun doing a gift every day, I have to say. I mean, who doesn't like getting presents every day? So let's see what we get. Oh, that's just tissue paper. Okay. I thought I felt some. Oh, Nancy. There's a couple of things in here. She got me this stuff. Now, she gave me a complete set of clovers, and she broke it up into different packages, which was so fun. The metal set. But now look at this, an extra 7 and 8. Yay! I love that. Thank you, because I have multiples different sets of, what is it, the biggest one is 6 or 6.5 in your set. Well, 6 in your set of clovers. But then I have other hooks too. Everybody always gets off-brands or whatever here and there. So I have, in the smaller hooks, I have several sets. But in the bigger, I have 1 of each of these. So now I have a spare. I love that. I will have a complete set of clovers that I'm going to keep at the camper this year. I'm not going to be traveling a hook back and forth, except for the hook that I'm using when I'm on the way there. And that one will have to be used on the way home. So that's going to be, I'm going to have a complete set of clovers that I'm going to keep at my camper. And I'm real excited about being able to do that this year now. And then stitch markers. I love these kind of stitch markers. And they're big. These are big ones. I have littler ones. But these are the ones that look like diaper pins. I love using them because they're lightweight. They don't fall off. So let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, there's 20 jumbo stitch markers and 40 large stitch markers. So there are 2 different sizes in here. Oh, that's cool. I would open it, but it's covered in plastic, so I can't open it right now. That's awesome. And they're, you know, all different colors. So that's so fun. Thank you so much, Nancy. I really love it. Love it, love it, love it. I wish I would have thought to do that. I didn't even think of hooks. I was thinking away from yarn stuff. That's all I can say. So this is just short but sweet because I gotta go take a shower and go to bed for my testing in the morning. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, all of that stuff. Thanks for watching, because I know some of you have watched every one of these videos, and that's so awesome and dedicated that I am just amazed. I know you want to see what kind of cool stuff Nancy sent me. And I don't blame you because she's done a great job. Thank you so much, Nancy. I appreciate it. I love the gifts, every single one of them. I gotta hide him before my grandkids come over the weekend. They're gonna want to steal him. They can't have him. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.